today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount to an invoice in ZipBooks. Whether you're running a limited time promotion, rewarding a loyal customer, or correcting a small overcharge, applying a discount the right way keeps your records accurate and your client communication clear. Here's how to do it confidently from start to finish. First, open the invoice you want to adjust. From your dashboard, head to the Invoices tab and select the specific invoice you're working on. Take a moment to review the line items, quantities, and rates. Because the discount will be calculated from the subtotal, you'll want everything else to be correct before you apply it. Next, scroll to the bottom of the invoice. Just above the total, you'll see the discount field. This is where you tell ZipBooks what percentage to take off. It's placed near the totals on purpose, so you can clearly see how the new numbers will impact the amount due. Now enter the percentage. Click into the discount box and type the number that represents the reduction you want. For example, enter 15 to apply 15%. You can use whole numbers or decimals if you need a more precise amount, like 12.5. As you enter the number, think about how it relates to your subtotal. A 15% discount on a $500 subtotal will remove $75, while a 12.5% discount on the same subtotal removes $62.50. This mental check helps ensure the discount level matches your intent before you finalize it. Finally, save your changes. When you save, ZipBooks automatically subtracts the percentage you entered from the subtotal and updates the final amount due. You'll see the totals refreshed to reflect the discount, so it's easy to verify the math at a glance. If something doesn't look right, simply return to the discount field, adjust the number, and save again until the amount due matches what you expect. A couple of quick best practices as you wrap up. Confirm that the discount you entered aligns with any quote or agreement you provided to the customer, and make sure the description on the invoice clearly communicates why the discount appears. Clarity reduces back and forth and helps you get paid faster. That's it. Open the invoice, find the discount field, enter the percentage, and save. With these steps, you can apply a clean, professional discount in seconds while keeping your books tidy.